Hey guys, Jace Foster here, Pollard Ford. Want to thank you for taking the time today to check out this video. If you have any questions, give us a call or come and see us South Loop 29 in Indiana.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Transit Connect. Ford Transit, the right size, the whole world round. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: Bluetooth, front license plate bracket, steering wheel controls. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Pollard, we make owning a new Ford affordable.